Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, I am really grateful that you are, Alhamdulillah, acknowledging me and you are viewing my efforts. And basically, I am doing nothing just to update you. You know everything about Faisal Town Group. Faisal Town Group, Alhamdulillah, has very high pedestals. We are working day and night to facilitate you, to give you the best services, to give you the best projects, to nourish you with best. Alhamdulillah, our development is going on at full pace. We are developing beautiful societies. We have the parks, we have beautiful mosques, we have every facility you related to health, education, your recreation, your facilitation, the services, everything is superb. And you are connected with us and you are viewing the efforts of Chairman Faisal Town Group and the complete management. They are working day and night. They are sweating and they are working for your benefits and your advantages and your level of comfort and the luxury. And you can see our projects like Faisal Jewel. We are going to complete it in two years, inshallah. We are going to hand it over to you, inshallah. Faisal Heights, it is progressing rapidly. Faisal Town II, best ever development in the capital. It is being done at a massive scale at Faisal Town II. Faisal Town I is the beautiful city. Faisal Hills is a dynamic city. And these efforts are, you are watching it closely yourself and you are acknowledging us. You are getting back to us. You are investing in our products. So very grateful. Remain connected and inshallah we will have the best results for you.